Hi, welcome back to class. My name is Claude. I'm your teacher again today. Today we're talking about task 2 on the speaking part of the test. If you've seen the video on task 1, you'll see that this is very similar. Task 2 is also about familiar information. The difference is, instead of talking about opinion, we're talking about a preference. The structure is very much the same. You hear a question, you have 15 seconds to prepare, and then you have 45 seconds to speak. But the information is slightly different, so we'll get into that. Okay, so the difference here is in the first task, you're talking about your opinion on something, and you want to give 2 reasons why. On this one, you have to make a choice between 2 options. Your answer is similar. You want to give 2 different reasons. So, some ideas on how to handle this situation. You want to start writing your idea as they're finishing the question. So you write your answer on your notes, and then you give 1 reason and a second reason. Now, this is a good template to follow on your answer. As an example, let's say your question is, some people prefer vacations in their own country. Other people prefer vacations abroad. Which would you prefer and why? So when they get to the part where they say, which would you prefer and why? That's when you have a couple extra seconds to start writing your answer. This will give you a little more time here. So, let's say my opinion was to vacation in my own country. Well, we need to come up with 2 reasons why. It costs less money. Okay, another reason could be you don't have as much travel time. That gives you more time to enjoy your vacation. So this is the structure. Remember, we only have 45 seconds, but if you come up with 2 good reasons in your answer, that should take up most of the time. So here's a good template. When you start responding, you could say, I would prefer to have a vacation in my own country for a couple of reasons. For one, it costs less money. This will give me some extra money that I can spend on souvenirs or going out to restaurants when I get to the place I'm going. The second reason is that you don't have as much travel time, which gives you more time to spend when you're at the place you're vacationing. And so that's why I would prefer to vacation in my own country. Okay, that takes up just about 45 seconds. As you can see, you give your reason plus a little bit of a detail of why. Same with the second one. And one thing that's really important, you always want to restate the answer at the bottom. And so that's why I prefer to vacation in my own country. Okay? It's actually not that difficult. Luckily, it's about your personal preference, so you should already know the answers to these types of questions. Okay, and that's task 2. So stay tuned for more videos on the different questions in the speaking part. Okay, so thanks for coming to class. Make sure to head over to www.icourses.org to find a lot of extra materials. There's also online tests and courses, so a lot of great information, and we're also shooting new videos all the time. So stay tuned, and we'll see you at icourses.org. Thank you.